Hello friends, as we all know that the world is going through a critical stage and we all are staying at home and unable to go out to perform any kind of outdoor activities. So what should we do now? We have got a solution for you. Let's begin with yoga and meditation which you can perform along with your family members to make them fit emotionally, physically as well as mentally. Okay friends, let's begin with prayer. Friends, let's start with pranayam. Today we are going to do alternate breathing और अनुलोम विलोम जिसे हम नाड़ी शुद्ध प्राणायाम भी कहते हैं. इसके लिए आप सीधे बैठेंगे with your back erect, left hand on your knees in ज्ञान मुद्रा and right thumb up, your third finger up, thumb on your right nostril and inhale from your left side. So आप एक बार ध्यान दीजिए मैं कैसे कर रही हूं. Inhale from your left, exhale from your right. So you should be very careful that the inhalation should be complete. It's a deep inhalation and exhalation should be complete exhalation. So you should do it for 10 rounds. Friends, let's start with warm-up exercise. As we all know, before doing yoga poses, we have to do warm-up exercises from head to toe to open up your muscles. So let's start from head to toe. Hands on your waist. Move your head up and down. 1 and 2. One more time. 1 and 2. Whenever you go up, you inhale, and whenever you come down, you exhale. Now, side bending. 1, 2, 1, 2. Let's do it for 2 times. 1, 2, 1, 2. Now the movement of your shoulders. Put your hands on your shoulders and move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hands up, thumb inside. Make a fist. Straighten your hands and move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now the movement of your wrist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Open up your fingers and hands down. Next, put your hands on your waist and move. 1. Hold your breath for 2 seconds and come back. 2. Other side. 1. Twist your waist and come. 2. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Next, high knees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next, we do the jumping jack exercise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Skipping you can do also for 30 to 50 times as per your capability. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So after doing warm up, relax for 30 seconds and then we move for first yoga pose. Our first standing yoga pose is mountain pose. For mountain pose, you have to lift your arms up, interlock your fingers, turn it out and with inhalation go up. How? Just watch very closely. Stretch your arms up as much as you can and also lift your heels up and try to balance on your toes. So just retain the position for 5 to 10 seconds, then with exhalation come back. So you can do this pose for 2 times, and also, as you know, it is very beneficial for your focusing power. It improves it, and also it strengthens the calf muscles. माउंटेन पोज के बाद हमारा सेकंड पोज है साइड स्ट्रेचिंग. हाउ डू वी डू इट? 1 2 3 and 4. Here again you have to stretch your arms as much as you can. जितना भी आप स्ट्रेच कर सकते हैं उसको स्ट्रेच करिए और दूसरे हाथ को आप नीचे ही स्लाइड करेंगे. सो अगेन इस पोजीशन को आप 5 to 10 seconds तक रिटेन करिए एंड देन स्लोली कम बैक. And repeat it on the other side. 1 2 and 3. Retain the position for 5 to 10 seconds as per your capability and come back slowly. Now the next pose is chair pose, जिसे हम उत्कट आसन भी कहते हैं. उत्कट आसन के लिए 1 2 and come on your toes. So this pose is very beneficial for your knees and it strengthens your thigh muscles. So you can do it for 2 times and repeatedly it will strengthen your muscles. स्टैंडिंग पोज के बाद हम सीटेड पोज करते हैं. बैठने के कुछ आसन करते हैं जिसके अंदर पहला पोज है कैट एंड काउ पोज. इसके लिए हम लोग क्या करेंगे? ऑल फोर्स, both palms and both knees you have to fix on the ground. Take the position. You have not moved like this. You have just moved your spine like this along with your breath. How? Just watch it. Inhale and arch your spine.
Exhale and round your spine like this.
1. Hold it for 2 seconds and then come down.
2.
So this is cat and cow pose, which is very much beneficial for your spine and back muscles. Next pose is Vakrasana. Vakrasana is half spinal twist pose. For that pose, we have to pull our legs out like this. One leg you have to fold your leg and cross it over on the other thigh. जो पैर हमने ऊपर करा है उस साइड का हाथ आपका पीछे जाएगा और ये वाला हाथ इस पैर को पुश करते हुए आपको अपने टोस को टच करना है. तो जितना आपसे हो सकता है आप उतना करिए. जस्ट ट्राई टू मेक अ ट्विस्ट हियर. सो इट्स अ हाफ स्पाइनल twist pose which is very beneficial for the diabetic patient because it massages all vital organs which are present on the abdomen. Likewise, you have to do with the other leg. This. Turn your face and slowly come back. So this is Vakrasana. Next we have to do the line poses. Line poses के लिए you have to lie down on your back. सीधे लेट जाएंगे और इसमें आपको दोनों पैर अपने ऊपर करने साथ. हाउ? दोनों हाथ आपके इस मैट पे रहेंगे जो आपके पैरों को सपोर्ट देंगे. आप इनको अपने बॉडी के नीचे भी रख सकते हैं एंड धीरे इनहेल करते हुए अपने दोनों पैरों को ऊपर ले जाएंगे. 1 और एक्सहेल करके डाउन. अगेन 1 and 2. 1. So you can do it for 5 or 6 times. And next we do the pose on our abdomen. So lie down on your abdomen एंड वी डू द कोबरा पोज, जिसे हम भुजंग आसन भी कहते हैं. तो एज पर योर कैपेबिलिटी आप अपने हाथों को इस पोजीशन से लेके इस पोजीशन तक फिक्स कर सकते हैं. वील स्टार्ट विद दिस पोजीशन. सो प्लेस योर palms here and inhale and go up. Only upper half of your part go up and your lower half part should be on the ground. How? इनहेलेशन के साथ आप ऊपर आएंगे, यही होल्ड करेंगे थोड़ी देर और फिर वापस आ जाएंगे.
Again, one more time.
इसमें आपको इस चीज का ध्यान रखना है कि आपके पीछे के दोनों पैर जुड़े हुए हों, इनको आप खोल के नहीं रखेंगे. तो इस तरीके से आज के योगा पोजेस खत्म होते हैं, लेकिन लास्ट में आपको रेस्ट करना है इन क्रोकोडाइल पोज या मकरासन. तो टेक रेस्ट इन मकरासन लाइक दिस फॉर few seconds. You have to sit in any pose, like in easy pose also, this, in Vajrasana also, in half lotus pose also you can sit. If you're able to sit like that, you can sit both hands in Gyan Mudra on your knees, and you have to just focus in the center of your forehead, between both eyebrows, and you can play any music, meditative song, and you can focus on that. So just meditate. And कोई भी योगा पोज या मेडिटेशन आप करते हैं, सबसे जरूरी बात है कि अपनी बॉडी को अपने माइंड से आप कनेक्ट करते हुए चलें. जितना ज्यादा आप कनेक्ट करेंगे, द बेटर you connect, the deeper you can do the yoga pose more easily. Thank you.